year-end ko na.
Asia Olympus Summit Life Insurance. Dito ako right now kasi magpe-present ako ng St. Peter Life Plan. I'm just waiting si Sir Jasper. Break time nila 12:30 pa lang. So that's it. Maya na. Race to hindi pa sila tapos mag-break. Kaka-break lang nila.